Piggybacking off our last video about charts and candlesticks and how to read them. This is the daily candle for Friday's SPY, which is the S&P 500. How can you read a candle? You have first the body, which is what's outlined in red. The opening price on a red candle, the opening price starts at the top and closed right here of the body. Sometime during that day, price went up, price went down, so it left a wick on top and a wick below. This is the daily candle. Now we need to look and find out, we want to ask, but what happened? Who was in control, the buyers or the sellers? The next candle shows the 4-hour chart, 2 candles in the 4-hour chart. The first half of the day, the bulls were in control. The second half of the day, the bears were in control. So now you start to get an idea of who was in control when. The next chart we're going to look at is the daily candle again. And this is a green candle. So the first candle that we dissected was the daily. That's a red candle. Now for a green candle, it's the opposite. We still have the body. Here's the body in green. The opening price of a green candle starts at the bottom. Price opened here sometime during the day when wicked, made a wick on top, but ended up closing right there. So that's the difference between a red candle and a green candle, a bullish candle and a bearish candle. This is Thursday's daily candle, and here's Friday's daily candle. We want to look and see on Friday, get a deeper picture of what happened. Here's Friday's 30-minute chart. There's 13 candles. You could see the first 30 minutes, bulls were in control, then the bears, bulls, bulls, bears, 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 bulls, and you start to build the story of who was in control during the day. This is how we're reading a chart, and this is how the different time frames will give you more information the deeper or the lower you go in the time frames. Here is Friday's 5-minute chart. There's 78 candles. You could see more detail of what was happening every 5 minutes. Each candle is 5 minutes on the 5-minute chart. Down to the 1-minute chart, each candle is 1 minute of time. It records the opening, the close per 1 minute. 390 candles on the 1-minute chart.